Replacing Tinubu after 4 years with another Southerner won't fly ethnic sentiment. This is coming from Damilola, the former PDP presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar's special assistant on digital media strategy, has voiced concerns about the possibility of ongoing ethnic animosity in Nigerian politics, according to Daily Post Nigeria. After 4 years, Damilola contended replacing President Bola Tinubu with a Southern candidate, saying it might cause political unrest and voter dissatisfaction. Ethnic sentiment won't allow us to replace Tinubu after 4 years with another Southerner who will probably serve 8 years, he said. His comments coincide with escalating debate concerning the effort of regional representation in Nigeria's executive branch. Numerous analysts have observed that political alliance and electoral dynamics are frequently influenced by the nation's uh, this diversified ethnic landscape. According to his remarks, the larger problems of representation and governance that many Nigerians have might not be resolved by just moving the presidency between regions. Additionally, his opinions reflect a wider mood among academics and politicians who warn against making the president only a matter of geographic rotation. The discussion around ethnic representation is anticipated to heat up as Nigeria gets closer to upcoming elections. Many people who want a political system that puts competency and inclusivity above ethnic affiliations will find resonance in Damilola's observations. Nigeria's political environment is still complicated due to continuous discussions regarding representation and governance, and the upcoming years will be vital in determining its course. Nigerians are seriously looking for ways to replace Tinubu, if possible today. The suffering is unbearable. To the suffering Nigerians, it does not matter the region the person is coming from. You understand? No offense. So. You see, this issue of region is not helping us. This region is not helping us. This religion is not helping us. Now, these two things have torn Nigeria apart. We know they get competent leader because you want to bring somebody from your region. Now, this one will want to make it go. It go there. It will mess up things. The Northerners brought Buhari because they feel saying na Buhari time. Now, so we did do one. Buhari messed up Nigeria. So, the time for the Southerners, Tinubu said, now they go. He came just barely 1 year. He has messed things up. We have people when we say they are capable to do this work, but they will not allow them. The cabals will not allow them. So Nigerians need to look what Adamilola have just said. This region of a thing, is it really helping us? If President Bola Tinubu is asked to step down after 4 years, okay, even that is even what he himself wanted, because according to him, he said he's not talking about 2027 election. Okay, he said what is after now is the benefits of the Nigerians' next generation. You understand? So with that, though you cannot believe these people 100%, because they could tell you this one today, tomorrow you see them doing something else. Even with what is happening right now, you will understand that President Bola Tinubu is already tired. The situation he don't find himself now is tired. Maybe he never thought that this is how it's going to look like. It's more than what he thought. The situation is bigger than him. Whether we like it or not, the suffering is too much. They say they are trying, as you can see, their best is not enough. The only reason North feel they can rule at any time is chameleon tribes, which is Yoruba. The South is ready to comply, and South is also will. The Southwest are the chameleon. Finally, their Tinubu they were boasting about has disgraced them. Not only that, putting them to suffering. Go to Lagos, properties for sale, full every street. Guess which people own 75% of them? The chameleon tribes. Okay, these are reactions from Nigerians. Let us move Tinubu today in order to save Nigeria and save lives, the children in Nigeria. If you want to continue experimenting genocide, continue with Tinubu. So guys, what's your take on this? I beg, make we hear from you. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video, let it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is happening today in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you, and bye for now.